The hidden truth about why Sha'carri Richardson was able to beat the Jamaicans in Budapest World Athletic has finally been exposed. In case you want to know, and if this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, before Budapest World Athletic begins, Sha'carri Richardson sent a strong warning to all the athletes that she is not just back, but she is better. A lot of athletes do not take her word seriously. If not, they could have known that she is not going to play in Budapest World Athletic. And just like she said, I am not just back, but I'm better. She did deliver, and she did tell the world that she is not just back, she is better, by becoming the fastest woman in 2023 and getting the gold medal in the just concluded Budapest World Athletic. But that is not all. After Sha'carri gets the gold medal in Budapest, there have been a lot of speculation on social media. Probably Sha'carri's haters, they are spreading rumors that the reason why Sha'carri Richardson beat the Jamaicans is probably because she cheated. But how and why? Because they feel like Sha'carri, the reason why a lot of people are feeling like Sha'carri cheated is because she took fourth position in the Diamond League final. So a lot of people were like, oh, so why did she took fourth position after Budapest ended recently? Why didn't she took the first position again? But I just want to clarify to you that you can't be winning all the time, right? Now, I know a lot of you watching this video are expecting me to support the rumor and speculation on social media about Sha'carri cheating. Well, I am not going to support that because I am not her hater. Now, I do believe that Sha'carri is very talented. Way before she started running as a pro. What I mean is, she has been racing in the NCAA, right? And she has been the best athlete in the NCAA. She was once the sixth fastest woman in the world 2023, and nothing has ever been tested to be positive on her body. What apart from the marijuana that cost her a lot by not allowing her to participate in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics? Apart from that, Sha'carri Richardson has never been tested positive. In fact, she is one of the most clean athletes in the USA. Yes, you heard that right. Sha'carri is very clean, and for the fact that she is very hardworking, I do believe that she was able to win the gold medal in Budapest because she worked hard for it, because she prayed about it, because she was determined to be the fastest woman in 2023, and she did deliver, and she did tell the world that no matter how you are being mocked, no matter how people forgot about you, no matter how people talk negative things about you, you can still come back strong and you can still deliver. It was a message to everybody that despite a lot of setbacks, you can still come back and do great things. And I feel like she's a good example of one of the greatest comeback in the history of athletics and track on its own. And Sha'carri is more like this popular athlete that has been popular even before winning the Budapest World Athletic. So I feel like she's going to add a lot of spice to the track world, and also she's going to make the sport more popular. The fact that a lot of people know her through her controversial expression and how she lives her life. Let me know what you think in the comment section.